Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by verifying the model file and a concise inference script. This is essential so the container runs deterministically. Once done, install Docker and make sure the daemon is active, and if you push images, authenticate to your registry. Next, choose a small base image and prepare a minimal requirements. TXT to avoid bloated images. This reduces build time and attack surface. Make sure to include a health checkable entry point so you can later confirm the service is alive. You now translate your runtime into a Docker file. Use official Slim images, add a non-root user, and pin versions to ensure reproducible builds. Then copy code and model, set a clear workdir, expose the inference port, and add a lightweight health check so orchestration can monitor readiness. Once written, build the image with Docker build pull no cache to avoid stale layers, tag it semantically, and run locally with Docker run p to validate endpoints before pushing to a registry. You finish by pushing the tagged image to your registry and deploying via Docker Compose or your orchestrator. Use manifests or compose files that set resource limits and env vars. Once running, execute integration and load tests while watching logs and metrics to validate correctness and performance. If something goes wrong, reproduce the failure locally, inspect container logs and file mounts, verify environment variables and model paths, and restart the container after fixes. That single step often resolves mismatched volumes or missing dependencies.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.